when you find a market like this, it's time to make money. So I just want to show you on how to use our advanced analysis tool. So when all these bars are above digit 3, which market do you trade? You trade over 3 markets. So you'll be trading over 0 markets for the first contract. Then we switch to over 2. Then from there, in case of a loss, that's when the robot switches to over 2 to over 3. So let's first of all execute the trade. I'll give details later. Volatility is 101s. Our entry point is digit 0. So just go to the free bots. Then click on disputed Deriv Punisher. We'll load this version 3. Then volatility is 101s. Why is it? Volatility 101s like that. This one you can leave it as it is. My first take, I'm gonna do 100 USD. You should always be fast. Okay, this should be 100 USD. Then this should be 50. Then this should be, my target profit should be 200. My stop loss is 500. Okay, I'll actually explain that. Then the next thing, I'll click start. We see our entry point should be digit 0. So the execution has already started. First trade is executed. So what is happening? This robot is trading over 2 with over 3 recovery. Over 2 with over 3 recovery. But the first trade is over 0. So it will start taking, the first trade will be over 0. Then from there it will switch to over 2. So it will continue executing trades on over 2 until you make a loss. When you make a loss, that's when it will switch to over 3 to make a recovery. Once it makes a recovery, it will switch back to, that is after the recovery, that's when it will switch back to trading over 2. Yeah. So we are actually using digit 0 as our entry point, and now we are almost hitting our target profit in the next about 3 trades. Now you may pick a loss or exit port digit 2. Now we have switched to over 3. Now you may pick a recovery. Next trade is a win. The last trade, I think, yeah, it should be the last trade, and that's how we hit our target profits. Very simple way of doing the analysis. You can actually see we took 14 trades, 13 wins, and just 1 loss. And how did we do it? So this robot, you call it the undisputed. Let me explain now the details, since now we are done taking the trades. So just need to come to free bots. Then we have undisputed Deriv Punisher. In case you are using, that is the old Deriv account, once you log in on RI Traders, it might look a bit different, but of course I'll show you on how you can actually be able to access that robot, and how the analysis tool, how you can actually be able to navigate to the analysis tool. So you just need to click the undisputed Deriv Punisher. Then we load version 3. So we do have version 1 and version 2 and version 3. Version 1 is trading over 0. Version 2 is trading over 1. Version 3 is trading over 2. All these 3 robots have a recovery of over 3. But all the first trade is on over 0. So this one will start on over 0, over 0, over 0. Then they will all switch to over 2 now on the second trade. Then they will continue. For this one, all of them will execute. The first trade will be on over 0. Then on the second trade, now they'll actually switch now to what they are supposed to be trading. This one is supposed to be trading over 0, meaning to continue trading over 0. This one is supposed to be trading over 1, meaning to switch to trading over 1. This one is switch to trading over 2. Then they will continue trading until you make a loss. Once you make a loss, they will all switch to over 3. Yeah, you don't need to know all that information, because you just need to understand on how to actually do the analysis. I'm just sharing information on how the robot is trading. So I was trading with this one, the version 3, which is trading over 2 with over 3 recovery. This one is supposed to be trading over 1 with over 3 recovery. This one is supposed to be trading over 0 with over 1 with over 3 recovery. So you just need to click road. Then set up your volatility here, whichever the volatility that, for example, you analyze, that is for 10 1s, 21 1s, 25 1s, 51 1s. Just click here and select the volatility. Then come and set up your stake. Okay, you can use your stake and your initial stake. You can make them the same. So personally, I use these as 100. This one was 50. This is because I was trading. The first trade is on and an that is on actually over 0, and the chance of losing over 0 trade is very chance is very low. And again, we are using an entry point of 0. Yeah, So the moment the tick touches digit 0, the robot automatically started the execution. So you set up your stake there. You can use them, you can set the two stakes as the same, or you may decide for over 0 to use a higher stake compared to the others. Okay, then set up your target profit there and stop loss right there. Then just click start, set digit 0 as your entry point. Yeah, so if you check here, you can actually see this first trade here, this one. You can actually see the payout, a payout of $6, meaning we are trading that is a low risk market. Of course, that's over 0 market. So now, how do you do the analysis? Yeah, how do you do the analysis? It's very simple. Let's go to the advanced analysis. So just click here. Let's go to the advanced analysis so that I can give you details on how to do it. Okay, so let me first of all delete this. Okay, so now it's very simple. How you do the analysis is a very simple stuff. Since we are trading, either you are using, and this is the right Punisher version 1, version 2, version 3. The recovery market is over 3. So we want all these bars. That is the red bar, the blue bar, the green bar, and the yellow bar. They should all be above digit 3. They should all be above digit 3. Once you spot such a market, you don't need to think twice. Just load your robot and set digit 0 as your entry point, set up your stake and everything. Another way of you can actually be able to do the analysis, you can just click here and go to this part, circles over unders. Then the recovery you can set over prediction digit upper, you can set 4. You can set 3. Yeah, I mean 3 because that's we are recovering with over 3 market. Now, you can actually see now the market has been subdivided into 2 parts. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what will happen? We want all these bars to be on this side, on the upper side. So now you can come here, switch your volatilities comfortably, like that, until a situation or a scenario where you'll actually find all these bars are above these points. They are actually on this upper side. So you just need to keep switching comfortably, slowly. So like I just created a tool that will actually help you make your work easier. Okay, so you just need to keep switching like that, keep switching until a situation where you'll find all these bars, they are on this upper side. Yeah, so on this lower side we should not have any bar, either blue bar, green bar, red bar. They should all be above on the upper side. In case, for example, you are trading, then once you spot that volatility, just get on the free bot, load the robot, set the volatility, stake, target profit and stop loss, run your bot, set digit 0 as your entry point, and you are done. Hope for the best. Then in case you are trading markets like even odd, how do you go about it? You can click here and go to that is even odd, like that. Yeah, then this is even odd. So we have already now split the market. That is on, we have even on this side, odd on this side. You can actually see the digits are separated. Now when you are doing the analysis, it's very simple. You just need to come, click, keep switching until a situation where you'll find all the bars are on the same side. Either they are all on the odd side or they are on the even side. So it's very simple to actually use it. Okay, let me refresh. You can always refresh by clicking a different tab, then coming back to the analysis tool. So like we have some of the best features. So for example, in case it is even odd like that, then you can switch, you can keep switching, checking. So all these bars should be on the same side, either on the even side or on the odd side. For example, let me see if we're gonna get any. For example, in this case, okay, let's assuming even this bar is on this lower side, so we can say the market is odd, is even. So you'll wait for even digit, you'll wait for that is you'll have to wait for your entry point should be, that is 3 consecutive odd digit, then run your robot on even. Then you should make sure that all the bars are on even. In case you want to add some other analysis, you can just click here, add analysis. Then for example, you can have it like that. You can also add, for example, something else on something else here like that. You can actually see these are the normal circles that you know. For example, we can remove that, add another one. These are the normal circles that you know. Then you can have as the market separated as even and odd differently, so you can actually be able to combine the analysis. You can also add these, add something else different here on the lower side. For example, in case you are trading over unders, you can actually be able to be doing all the analysis at the same time on the same screen. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, so I think I already explained on how you do it. It's very simple to actually do the analysis. So just make sure you utilize it. Now, what if you have that is a new Deriv account? That is you have an old Deriv account. So if you check here, we have this is a of course this is an old Deriv account zile za kitambo. So what you do, you just need to go to the analysis tool in case you want to access whatever we have there. You can actually see this is what you have currently, but we have also introduced that is the new analysis tool. So you just need to click here advanced mode. And once you click the advanced mode, you'll actually be redirected onto this page. Now here you'll actually be able to access everything that we have that is on the new Deriv. So you just need to click here. If it is for the circles, click the circles. You can actually see there they are. In case it's for the circles, even odd separated, we have even on this side, odd on this side. You can actually see that. Then in case it's over unders, you can actually see how they are separated. Now you can actually be able to do your analysis comfortably. In case it's for the free bots, you want to use that robot you call the undisputed right punisher, just click the free bots, then scroll. You'll actually find it here. You can actually see we have undisputed right punisher version 1, version 2. We also do have version 3 right here. So everything, either you have a new account or an old account, everyone is well sorted. So that's how you do it. Just get on ritraders.co.ke and backtest and see how best it performs. Goodbye.